Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 56-inch Emerson TAT, I believe, in white. That or this could be a can-arm Pleasant-Air for all I know, but I believe this is just a Emerson TAT. This is the tag. Of course, I gotta bring this into the light. And you guys can really not see that well, huh? But yeah, it says TAT right on the top of the blade irons, which is pretty cool about these. There, you can kind of see that. Somebody's sneezing. I don't know if you can see that really well. Oh yeah, there you go. That's a lot better. But yeah, very nice looking fan. I have a can-arm Pleasant-Air version. It has the same exact blades, except it has the thicker cast motor on it, and it's brand new in the packaging. I've already made a video of that thing. It's somewhere in my channel. But let's test this thing, shall we? I think I picked this up from Facebook Marketplace, like a long time ago now. I think I got it for like $5 or something like that. Here's low. This thing is gonna take a forever and a fuck to get up to speed. Gonna stall out. Okay, it won't stall out. That's good. Love how big the blades are on this, like how wide they are. It's just crazy. I believe this fan came out of a house originally. Like this was just a house fan, like it wasn't in a shop or anything, so that kind of explains why it's pretty clean. I did just wipe it down quickly for a video, but when I got this thing it was pretty clean, you know, even still. This thing uses a 8.8 microfarad capacitor. Only reason I know that is because I was adjusting the set screw in the thing because it was like wobbling. Yeah, we're gonna be here a minute, folks, with this thing. But I think that's low speed right there on the control. That is a really aesthetic low. It's a nice low speed. On to barely move air. All right, let's go up to medium low now. I believe the blades on this thing are steel. If I had a magnet nearby. Yeah. That's a more usable low speed right there. Yeah, this fan's in really nice shape. You don't see too many of these Emerson TATs no more, especially around where I live. And of course, just like they all do, this one's got a little bit of a wobble to it. It was actually a little bit worse than this before, but All right, take it up to medium high now. I really like how this fan looks. There's a childhood house near me that has one of these on a, not a vaulted ceiling, but it's in the center of a vaulted ceiling, and it's on a 4-foot down rod. And it's on a dimmer switch, I believe, because it is loud as all get out. Like it is the same exact fan that you're looking at here. I'm pretty sure there's a video of that fan on my channel somewhere. It's still installed in the same location. Fortunately, the original owner of that house just passed away, and somebody else just bought the house, so hopefully it doesn't get tossed out. But if it does get tossed out, I know where to go. The Peaks Island dump. Basically is where I would go for that dump. All right, high speed. This thing takes a second to get up to high speed. This is just like the Contec. It likes to take its sweet time. Alright, so I believe that is full speed right there. I do know that these can get bad capacitors because I actually had one of these come to me with a bad cap. Same capacitor, 8 microfarad I think. And yeah, the thing was not running like it should, and I threw a new capacitor in it and it runs good as new. It was actually TAT's 16's Emerson TAT, that brown one that he has. That thing was slow until I threw a new cap into it. It actually runs like this now. This thing runs good. It moves a lot of air too. Alrighty, let's do spin down, shall we? Spin down in 3, 2, 1. This thing was definitely worth $5. Usually people in my area try to sell industrial fans like this for higher prices, but this person I think was just looking to get rid of it, basically. I think that's how much I paid for it. Like, it was a while ago now, but yeah, that's how much I paid for it. It was $5. Yep. Fucking turning senile over here. Yeah, the bearings are dead quiet on this thing too. Not really any bearing noise, no motor hum. Like, quiet fan. If you put it on a 4-speed, if you put this on a solid state or a dimmer, it's gonna freaking be as loud as all get out. Guarantee you. I'm very impressed at the shape that this thing's in for how old it is. I'm not really sure how old it is. The date tag, I think, on top, that was on top, I think it's been long gone, so I'd assume this is probably out of the late 80s, if I were to guess. Yeah, I've always loved the big fat blades on these things. Ever since I saw that one installed in that house that was super noisy, I've always wanted one of these, and I finally was able to get one. It'd be pretty sweet if I were able to get the childhood version of this fan for me. But I have no idea what the new owners is. I have no knowledge of who owns the place now, really. I mean, I do know that somebody owns it because there were people living in the place last summer. But I guess I heard that the house is going to be like a Airbnb, which is kind of a shame because it's a nice house. I mean, I don't know. You know, there's so many people out there that are looking for summer houses, and then you get people that fucking come along and buy houses and basically turn them into Airbnbs, and then we can't, you know, afford those places. It's like, are you guys just born to be assholes, or like what? Sorry for my little rant there, but that's just how I feel about Airbnbs. Because it's like, the more houses you buy, the less houses there will be for us to buy. Your younger generation. But you know what? We really cannot buy a house. We're basically screwed. But that's unless if you worked your butt off. Which is what everyone's plan is. That big shot of how wide that blade is. But yeah, the fan has now come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.